Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use WeTransfer to send files. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, we want to open up WeTransfer.com. Simply search for WeTransfer on Google and you should find the home page. Here we want to look to the left-hand side where it says Add Files. So let's go ahead and click on Add Files. Then we need to locate the file that we want to upload to WeTransfer. Let's say I want to upload this image right here. I'm going to go ahead and select it, then click on Open. Next, we're going to need to enter our email. We can also change the title of the email, so I'll just say Image. If we click on the More Options button right here, we have a couple of choices. We can either send an email or create a link. Let's go ahead and select the Send Email option. Now we have an Email To area where we can enter the recipient's email. I'll just go ahead and send it to my other email. You can also send it to multiple people by entering more email addresses, but for now, we're just sending it to one. Once that's done, click on Transfer. Next, we need to confirm our email address to use WeTransfer. You should receive an email with a verification code. Copy the code, paste it in, and then click Verify and Send. Now the file transfer will begin. Once the transfer is completed, it will show that the email has been sent and that the transfer is valid for 3 days. Now, the person you sent the email to should receive an email notification. The email will say that you sent them a file, and they can click on Get Your Files. Accept cookies and agree to terms and conditions. And from there, they can download the files that you transferred. So that's basically how you can use WeTransfer to send files. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.